Hi everyone, so as you can see I have got a yellow peel done. As you can see here, you can see on my face the skin is peeling off, and this is gonna give you a new superficial fresh skin, and the dull skin is gonna peel off. And this is what is happening right now is really temporary. It's gonna go off in like 8 to 10 days, and then your skin is gonna get normal and it is gonna shine like never before. If you get a retinol peel done, you do not have to worry of the peeling, because it's the process. This process happens, and after 8 to 10 days you get to see the final result, and this is gonna persist for some time. Obviously guys, the results are excellent, and you get to have a very nice superficial skin. So don't get the peels repeated for less than 3 weeks, because that is not gonna help. That is gonna damage your skin. It can lead to over peeling of skin. So yeah, 3 weeks is the interval we prefer. Whenever you get the peels done, you have to keep in mind that the face is gonna look very dry. It's gonna get really dry. You have to keep on applying moisturizers. You have to keep it protected from sun. That is, you have to apply sunscreen every 3 hours. That is mandatory. You cannot skip it. Before getting any peels done, just consult your dermatologist.